Hi there! Welcome to SEL Storytime with Counselor Keri. Let's get ready for another story. Sometimes I feel proud. There are so many feelings. All of my feelings are okay. Sometimes I feel proud. It's okay to feel proud. Everyone has a reason to feel proud. Proud is a feeling we have when we are really happy about something we have achieved, or when someone we care about achieves something. Proud is a feeling we might have when we've worked really hard to finish something, or when we have overcome challenges to reach a goal. Proud is a feeling we might have when our hard work pays off, or when others recognize our strengths or talents. I might feel proud when I win a race, or I might feel proud just because I ran in a race that was hard for me. I might feel proud because I won an art contest. I might also feel proud if I speak up for myself when I need something. I might feel proud because I kept my cool when I felt angry. I might also feel proud because I asked for help when something was hard. Can you help me with this, please? I'm confused. I might feel proud because my friend scored a goal in our game. I might also feel proud because my new sibling learned to do something new. Car! When I feel proud, I might stand up tall with my shoulders back. When I feel proud, I might have a big smile on my face. When I feel proud, I might want to tell others about what I have done or achieved. When I feel proud, I might want others to feel proud of me too. It's okay to feel proud of myself. I can feel good about myself without making others feel bad. I can say, this was a challenge for me and it feels good to see how it turned out. Or, I had fun and I am proud that I finished. That was fun. I'm glad I kept going even when it was hard. I don't have to win or be the best at something to feel proud of myself. I can feel proud because I tried something new. I can feel proud because I gave my best effort. I can also feel proud of my family and friends. When they work hard or achieve something great, I can tell them that I feel proud of them. I can say, "You did so great. I'm proud of you." It's important to recognize hard work and effort. It's also important to celebrate trying new things and overcoming obstacles. Proud feelings come and go. We can all find a reason to be proud. What are you proud of today? Be sure to subscribe for more SEL Storytime favorites.